I'll be going for antenatal tomorrow. I said I'll be going for antenatal tomorrow.
How does that concern me?
Because I need 50,000 naira.
I don't have money.
You don't have money? What about the huge amount of money Philo's transferred to your account? Or you think I do not know about the money? I was the one who personally persuaded her to send that money. So please, please, make 50,000 naira available for tomorrow. Biko, I need to use it. Please. Thank you.
This girl is a devil. Now I understand why she persuaded her to transfer that money to me. I know what to do. Let's see how she'll get the money.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.